This is the story of Snore Pig and Meep, written, illustrated and narrated by Antonia Pellegrino Freeman. Snore Pig lives in a woodland lair. He's a sweet and furry piglet bear. It doesn't take him very long to start the snory Snore Pig song. He shares his lair with little Meep. The poor thing can't get any sleep. Snore Pig snores all through the night. Meep tries to sleep with all her might. But every time Meep starts to doze, a snore begins in Snore Pig's nose. It rattles right down in his chest and echoes round their messy nest. He sounds just like a grizzly bear with very spiky nostril hair. He keeps the woodland folk awake. The burrows and the hedgerows shake. Snore Pig is a lovely fellow. When he's awake, he's very mellow. But when our Snore Pig goes to sleep, there'll be no rest for little Meep. One night, Meep had had enough. She found a box and packed some stuff. She moved outside to sleep next door, hoping she would escape the snore. She made a nest under the sky. The stars up there were very high. She saw the man that's in the moon and hoped that she'd be asleep quite soon. "This spot is nice," said little Meep. "At least tonight I'll get some sleep. No snoring here to spoil my rest. That Snore Pig is a noisy pest." Meep found some wool and nestled in. She pulled her blanket round her chin. She tried to close her big brown eyes, but could not sleep, to her surprise. The noises from the forest floor were louder than the Snore Pig's snore. A twig went crack, a cricket chirped, the wind blew hard, the river slurped. The outside sounds were far from calm, and Snore Pig kept her safe from harm. What if there were a scary beast that may want Meep as a midnight feast? A rustle came from near the tree. It was too dark, Meep couldn't see. Is it a bear, a hissy snake, a crocodile? For goodness sake. A brown owl said, "To-wit, to-woo!" What should poor little Meep Pig do? She hid beneath her soft red rug. She gave her teddy bear a hug. Meep closed her eyes and plugged her ear. "I wish that Snory Pig were here. I'm scared," she thought. "I'll never sleep." Back to the lair she tried to creep. A great big roar came from the tree. Snore Pig, rescue me!" Meep tried to scream, her body froze. Then in the cave a noise arose. A rattly, snarly, beastly sound. It was so loud it shook the ground. "I know that sound," thought little Meep. "It's Snory Snore Pig in his sleep." The tree beast ran far, far away. No midnight snack for him today. Meep ran back to the Snore Pig lair. She heard the snore, but didn't care. Within seconds, fast asleep, Snory Pig and little Meep. Sweet dreams, Meep.